Hi you guys, we're about to fix my car. We're at the biggest what?
We're at the biggest pick apart in the world. Yeah, people come here every day, and then like all the cars that they'll bring in, they'll just kind of like take it apart and then get all the good parts and then resell them.
So we're gonna do it because my window won't go down. And then I hit something with the same door. Louie brought tools to fix my car. Okay, not that anyone cares, but basically I was parked and I reversed and I didn't see a pole that was this height because I was looking up and back.
I gotta bring my truck here too because my glass is fucked up. Last time I came, I was in high school. Doorknob had broke, and my door like leather had broke. My taillights were gone. But I came and then I started snatching a bunch of parts off of the Altima that was here. My car was looking brand new after that. I was on that hood shit.
Oh, Louie. But now you know big words.
Yeah, like elaborate.
Like super.
Extension. No, wait. Evaporation.
Evaporate.
Oh, and they sell parts. I mean, not parts. They sell tools here too. Don't buy them here though. They're soul tax. Pull your own parts and then you take it to the front. Then they decide how much they're gonna charge you.
But they do list it online, so we'll add the website for you guys. Hopefully it's the same price when you come. Wow, no. My grandma has those carts. You want it?
We only have one, 2005 Ford Escape. It's colored green. Does it matter?
No, that's all.
Alright.
Okay, so we're in, and they stamped you so you can come in and out for the whole day. Only $5.
You can take one of those carts or...
You want a wagon? My car's in row 47. They gave us a little map diagram, and we'll go
right
and
here.
find it.
So it's about...
This is what your boyfriend should do for you. If your boyfriend doesn't do this, and if he doesn't have a booty like Louie, then get a new boyfriend. Louie found the motorcycles. Louie wants a box truck for his motorcycles.
Look how many there is.
It's my car! Maybe they have headrests for me. Can I go into any car even though we said we came?
Any car you want.
But we said we have to tell them which one we came for?
No, but they just help you in the beginning. Like, you're not just walking around the place. No, they took the
headrests.
Yeah, they did. It smells like shit in here.
Ew. What about the mirror?
The mirror?
No, this is crazy. I've never...
We could take it. I brought a screwdriver.
This is crazy, but it's still cool. And then they'll crush them later?
After so many years that they're here, yeah. Like, you get all the money out of them.
I just see them crushed in TV shows.
They do crazy. That's crazy.
Is that my car?
That's your car.
What the f... Whoa, I don't even recognize it.
We're not getting that door.
Oh, there's my door.
I told you. Damn, that sucks. So this is Bree's car. And obviously we're not going to be able to get out the driver's side door anymore. It's at least 1.5 feet underwater. And it's pushed up against other cars, so I couldn't even open the door if I wanted to. Yep. Unfortunate.
Louie was saying that they didn't grade this, and if they graded the land, it would have been nice. But no, that they just poured fucking blacktop over the bumpy dirt, and now the purpose this land was supposed to fucking serve, you can't even do anything. But it's pretty cool. It's still like an adult playground. Like no kids can come here. I was over here climbing from this blue car all the way up to go right there, and I was trying to kick it, but I can't move the car by myself. Okay. So now, look at this. Ugh. Now I just gotta drink my coconut water. Oh, no. Put my sunglasses on while Louie climbs through the car. And he said he had to poop really bad, so I think he's losing motivation to try to figure out how to get my driver's seat door out. And once the caca calms down, sits down in his body, once his booty calms, maybe he'll want to take the door off. But yeah, there's like brand new, everybody's taking everything from these cars. My car has brand new mirrors. So if your mirrors are fucked up, there's tires laying around all over the place. Headlights, everything. Everything in the car. My car is underwater and we're trying to take the door off. But look at this now.
I can't, I'm a slippery. Oh shit.
Look at these tide pools.
Huh?
Look, I'm in the tide pools. Look at the colors. Okay, after shaking the car for fucking 15 minutes right now, trying to move this, we were thinking maybe if we move this thing over here, but we can't move it because this is in the way. Maybe this would like tee out and then scoot the car back.
Maybe. If I could get enough room on the fenders to pull it upwards, and then I could reach the bolt from the inside of the door, and we should be good.
Okay, so I'm on my Ford Escape. But Louie seen over there a jack. And I think it was just by himself, hanging out. I didn't know what a jack was, only he would know. My ass is burning.
Look at it. Look at it. Push it further that way. Come on, foot.
Ah! That's how you do it? New cars don't come with tire repair kits.
Or a spare tire.
Or spares.
I'm stupid. They have them on flat tire.
Marketing scheme.
Yeah, enough though. There's more of a gap because I could barely fit my foot in here when I first started pushing it. But I don't know if it's going to be enough to open the door.
Okay, let me see. You went off the yellow instead of off the other car.
Yeah, because it would just keep folding the fender.
Of the white car.
So I just tied it around it to the frame so that if it falls, I could just pull it up from the rudder strip.
Precautionary. Not like this place. Not precautionary.
Yeah, nobody has told us anything.
Well, I wasn't talking about that. They could have landscaped it better so this would never happen. Okay, so we just kicked this off.
Look how much more space.
Show? It's so dangerous. I think Louie is removing the fender.
Bolts inside where the door is, and then there's one bolt at the bottom of like the fender on the outside. Most of the time, like 80% of the time.
Oh my god. Louie just said he's having a fun time. This is our first car build.
You gonna tell me that doesn't look bigger?
Yes, it does now.
Need a stubby. I'm gonna need a short.
Bruh. It doesn't open enough for him to get the bolts. I've handed him a 10mm ratchet wrench. I don't know what's going on now. This man made fun of us right now. He said, "Did you bring your scuba gear?" Defeat is settling in severely. Louie's throwing tires. I need this door, but the car fell off of the post. This is here. We need to lift it. We couldn't get my fucking door.
It wasn't meant to be. Out of all the fucking cars in the whole pickup part, that was the only one that fell over to the left. Yeah, that was literally the only one.
And he said, "Let's come next week." Here's my car.
Look at this.
At least I know my car is there and nobody could get access to it until the water dries. And Louie was gonna come next week.
No. I mean, we probably could come next week, but I think we need at least 3 weeks before we come back.
Fuck this place, man. Honestly, forget it. The only reason I needed it is because my window doesn't roll down. I don't care about the scratch. I forgot. My window doesn't go down. It's too hot for all of that.
If I would have put these on, we would have got the car for sure. Fuck. Well, at least you're. Oh shit. At least you're not gonna pay a couple $100 to just replace your window regulator now. You get your door. I bet you're gonna pay less than $100. It's gonna be like $90, $80.
I need headrests. You see, there's no headrest too.
No.
But my car only cost $1,900. I've had it for 5 years.
You ever notice that in the movies, every time they're filming in the car, there's never headers in the back? Go, Bree. To the left.
No. Here?
Yeah. Go all the way straight and make it right. It's fine. Give it a week or two. You'll be fine. It's going to be okay. You understand? Look how dirty you are. Get all dirty for what?
That was fun.
Yeah. Oh,
Put your
shit.
seatbelt. It was really dangerous. Actually, I was over here trying to kick my car over and I wasn't thinking like my legs could be crushed.
Yeah, I know.
Ooh, hybrid battery repair. I need that too. This is a funny video. Ooh, now we go home and we make chayote with lemon and tajin and watermelon and water. We have ice. And I just put some.
Make a left.
I don't want Coca-Cola right now. I've never been in a place like that.
Oh my god.
I gotta roll down all 3 of my windows. But it was pretty cool, man. I feel like a real mechanic now.
You couldn't even bring me the piece of metal.
You work for me now. Defeat is settling in severely. Louie's throwing tires.